Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So I'm back out here at my favorite location to fly, y'all. Monday morning. Out here to do Monday morning fix, Monday morning FPV. And so I bought my Junior Racer in its new X75 frame. And so I just wanted to take it up out here. And also, I can show you guys what the punch out looks like on 3S with this new frame. So let's get it. Got a fella out here with his dog. Hope we don't disturb him too much. Try to get this thing recording. Let's take it up. Alright, y'all, check out the punch out. So super awesome punch out. Look how high this thing went up. So this thing is real zippy now. Kind of chilly out here, but I kept the battery pretty warm. So I should have a little bit of flight. Do some FPV. Sheesh, the sun glare is getting me though. I fixed the rates on some of my quads. No problem with the punch now. Let's go back down here. Dive through the trees a little bit. I don't see that guy out here no more. Don't see any squirrels either, y'all. The battery's not liking it, y'all. Let's get back over here. Quick little fly. Okay, let's stop killing it. We're at 3.3 volts, y'all. Let me bring it in. One more blip. Junior Racer. Let me stop the recording, make sure I got it. Junior Racer 75 in this X75 frame. It's pretty awesome. Really loving the way it's flying and all. The punch out and everything. Got everything set up the way I want it to be set up. Pretty decent video and all. Pretty awesome. For 99 bucks you can get this one. The red one is a little more for some reason. You can get the black one for 99. And this red one I believe was 107 bucks. I don't know why it costs more to get the red, but if you have an X75 frame sitting off to the side or whatnot, or you just want to grab one from online, Amazon has them. I think they're 2 packs that you get from Amazon. But pretty awesome little flyer, awesome little whoop. That's 3S capable. It says it's 4S capable, but I removed those lower motors, that the lower kV motors that it had on it. I think they were like 8,000 kV, so they were capable of 4S. These are 11,000 kV, so I wouldn't dare put 4S on these things. It'll burn them up probably. Enjoy y'all week. Monday morning FPV, y'all. Thanks for watching. Where the heck are my squirrels out here?